What's up, y'all? It's Dewey again with Wu-10 Wash. Today we're out here at a commercial spot and I'm going to show y'all how I have been using Dynamite Degreaser. Been using this stuff for over a year now. I use it at a 1-to-1 ratio in a bulk tank and I downstream it. There's a key to this to get the right ratio and I'm going to show y'all my trick. Hopefully y'all use this and see how good Dynamite Degreaser really is and put it to the test. Alright, so here we have it, Dynamite Degreaser. I always keep a gallon of this on the trailer. That way I've got a straight mix if I need it, or a little bit of extra, say for some reason I run out. But the way I've been getting these is the 5-gallon bucket. I'll take this 5-gallon bucket, and I have down here, this is my pressure reel, I have a 12-gallon tank. You barely see it there. But I filled it up, 5 gallons of water, 5 gallons of Dynamite Degreaser. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. And come around here, we have our downstream injector with the good old skunk valve. So what I did is I built a mini manifold, all stainless steel and aluminum. This one here, this is my SH line. And this is my degreaser line. I'm about to prime it back up and it'll self-prime. All it does is come around here, loop back around, and then this line drops in to my degreaser tank. So we're going to prime that up and let y'all check that out and see how this works. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of this. I've let this site kind of get out of hand by a week, and I'll show you what a week does. And while we're here, dumpster pad's over there. But I'll go ahead and show y'all what I've got. There's upgrades coming to this here in the next couple weeks. Right now, I'm running a 4-gallon a minute gearbox. Right now, I have it plumbed straight into my water supply, but it is capable of pulling out of a buffer tank. A 20-inch GP hammerhead. I've had this thing for about a year and a half. Zero issues out of this thing. The one thing I do like about it, it is the greasable one. Then we've got our SH tank, water tank. So we got soft wash hose here, pressure washing hose there. What I'm going to do, and I'm in the middle of working on this, is the soft wash hose is going to be going over to there. And y'all will see that come beginning of the year. But I've got 2 real deals. I'm going to put another real deal on the very end there. I've got a real big deal. This will be the GOAT of soft washing. It'll all be electric, 24 volt. And it is not your typical North Star 24 volt. You can see the foot traffic is horrible back here. Really, really dirty. All this will clean up great. All of this will clean up real good. Unfortunately, I do not have my tripod today, but I have some other footage of cleaning this. It's a little hard to see at times, but I will do the best that I can. All right, back here at the dumpster pad now. Still using the 1-to-1 through the downstream injector. You see, nice and saucy. Got a special treat for y'all if y'all are still watching right now. I have a new neck mount set up that I'm going to use my GoPro and give y'all like first person view. So we'll do a full job, pretty much start to finish, and that'll probably be the next video. And I do a lot of commercial work, so I love doing these restaurants. Once you get the contract, it's pretty easy. Here y'all can see how dirty this is. I'm gonna spray this side and get it all nice and coated. Man, if we had smell-o-vision, smell-o-phone, whatever you want to call it, you can smell this Dynamite Degreaser. It ain't no joke. What's up, y'all? So, just got done, roll up the hoses, and show y'all what we got. So, it's still wet, but you can see the difference, how it is.